Okay, so that is an amazing feature. Like, as soon as you take both out from the case, it automatically activates. Now you can adjust them. So this is what it looks like. Testing, testing. Wow, like it really just enhances. So even when we go really quiet.
This
So let's
product was
take a
sent to
look at
me from
these
a
hearing
brand to
aids.
do an honest review, and I
Go
may
ahead and
earn
open it up
commissions
for
on
you
this video.
guys. Okay, got your manual and all your accessories. Your little charging house. So this is the hearing aids. That's pretty cool. It's just like earbuds. So your accessories, you have your charger and your power cable as well. Type C, which is good. We know it's updated. We're going to set those there for right now. But yeah, this is what they look like. Tear off that and place it inside. We can see right there, it's charged. Tear them off, place them inside. Testing, test. Okay, so as soon as you take both out, they actually start working. Wow, that's actually amazing. Testing, testing, 1, 2. Oh, wow. They work really well. Wow. And what's crazy is I can hear my computer fans really well. Like, almost like I have my head right against the fan. But again, you can adjust the settings so you can make the volume louder or you can dim it down. But they are hidden very well. Like, overall, I'm impressed. So let's see here. So we take this out. We got our case here. And let's see, we put it in like this. Testing, testing, testing. Okay, so one still works. Pull that out. So yeah, technically you only need to use one if you wanted to. And then when you put it in the case, it automatically starts charging. And the case is just charged with a Type-C cable. So a Type-C cable charges this little box, this little case, and then this little case charges your earbuds. And when you're ready, you just simply pull them out. And they just automatically start working. Don't have to connect them to some phone. There's tons of stuff. Now it says, like, if you have issues with whistling sounds or anything, like, it goes over everything. So you can even adjust. Okay. So there's a wax guard in there as well that you can remove. So interesting, guys. I highly recommend it because just the ease of use is right there. Seriously, guys, pull this out. Okay, testing, testing. I hear it beeping. It's going beep, 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 beep. Okay, after about 4 or 5 beeps, it's now on. It's working. You don't have to use both. You could just have one if you want, or pull the other one out as well. When you're done, now if there is any ring, so if you hear any ringing going on, pull it out faster. So sometimes depending on how you're touching it, you could get a little bit of a ring, but if you pull it out pretty quick, once you get used to it, like once you get used to pulling it out fast, you barely hear anything. Love this, guys. Definitely gonna need these one day.